We all work hard for our money. Day in and day out, we put in the hours, the effort, and the dedication to earn our paychecks. We trust banks to keep it safe. We deposit our earnings believing that our money is secure and well managed. But what if they're actually playing games with your hard-earned cash? Imagine bankers treating your money like pieces on a chessboard, making moves that benefit them more than you. It's time to pull back the curtain and expose the sneaky ways banks might be taking your money without you even realizing it. Hidden fees, obscure terms, and complex financial products can all chip away at your savings. Think of it like this: you wouldn't invite a magician home and let them near your wallet without keeping a close eye, right? Just like a magician uses sleight of hand to distract you, banks can use fine print and confusing language to mislead you. Banks can be tricky too, but instead of pulling rabbits out of hats, they use confusing fees and jargon to make your money disappear. Overdraft fees, maintenance charges, and other hidden costs can add up quickly. Don't worry, this isn't magic. It's just sneaky business. The more you know about their tactics, the better you can protect yourself. And the best way to fight back is to understand their tricks. By educating yourself and staying vigilant, you can ensure that your money stays where it belongs, in your pocket. Banks love to throw around fancy terms, but let's call a spade a spade. These hidden fees are nothing but a way to squeeze more money out of you without you even realizing it. They are often buried in the fine print, making them easy to overlook. Hidden fees are like those extra charges you find on your phone bill that you never understand. You might see a charge for something vague like service fee or administrative cost, and you're left scratching your head. They might seem small, but they add up. Over time, these little charges can accumulate into a significant amount, draining your hard-earned money bit by bit. Ever heard of maintenance fees? These are charges just for keeping your account open, even if you don't use it much. How about overdraft protection that actually costs you money? It sounds like a safety net, but it can end up being a costly trap. It's like paying a cover charge to get into your own bank account. You're essentially being charged for accessing your own money. Then there are the ATM fees, especially when you're traveling. Using an ATM abroad can be a minefield of extra charges. They'll slap you with a fee for using another bank's ATM, and then your own bank might charge you again just for the privilege. It's a double dip into your wallet. It's a double whammy of financial frustration. These hidden fees can make managing your finances feel like navigating a minefield. Always read the fine print and stay vigilant. Here's the thing. These hidden fees and charges hit regular people the hardest. Imagine a single mom working 2 jobs. She overdrafts her account by a few dollars buying groceries, and boom! The bank hits her with a hefty fee. Or think about a young person just starting their career. They're trying to save for their first apartment, but those monthly maintenance fees are eating away at their hard-earned savings. These aren't isolated incidents. They're happening every day to millions of people. The good news is that you don't have to be a financial expert to protect yourself. With a few simple steps, you can safeguard your finances and make informed decisions. First, read the fine print. This might seem tedious, but it's where the most important details are often hidden. I know it's boring, but it's crucial. Many people overlook this step and end up paying for it later. Look for those hidden fees and ask questions. Don't be afraid to seek clarification on anything you don't understand. Second, explore your options. Check out credit unions or online banks that often have lower fees. These institutions can offer better rates and fewer charges compared to traditional banks. Finally, stay informed. There are tons of resources available to help you understand your rights and navigate the tricky world of banking. Websites, apps, and financial advisors can provide valuable insights. By being vigilant and informed, you can keep your hard-earned money where it belongs in your pocket. Remember, knowledge is power, and taking control of your financial future starts with these simple steps.